going to show you the technique of shading. The first thing you need to do when shading is to determine the light source. So in this example that I'm showing you, the light is coming from the top left. So the light is coming this way, it's hitting right here. Now another thing about shading, to get that nice 3D effect, because it's a 3D object, light is reflecting. And when light is reflecting, it's not only hitting here, but it's hitting from behind, from the side also. And if you leave a little light around the edge, it also gives it that great 3D effect. Alright, so I'm just going to start. And we're doing four different techniques. For this one, we're going to be doing blending. We're going to start with the blending. This section will be basically untouched because that's where most of the light is hitting. And this section just around here will be the darkest, because remember, the light is going to fade out, and right around the edge I'm going to leave some light. You hold your pen slanting. Yes, if you hold it too straight, you're going to get sharp lines, and we don't want sharp lines in blending. We want nice smooth shading. So you start like this. I'm just starting at the darkest section first, right? So it's dark here and it gets lighter as it comes up. Dark, lighter as it comes up here. It takes some practice, but in a little while you will get it. You have a little shading around there. And this is where pressure is important. When you're doing art, drawing, painting, whatever form of art, patience is very important. You can't really rush it, you know. But I'm probably doing it a bit quicker so as not to take up too much time. You can see already it's getting that 3D effect. All right, I'm going to use the 6B now. I'm going to concentrate on this area. There's another term which I haven't mentioned so far. It's called value. And value is simply the range from light to dark. You could do a value scale where you draw some boxes, say about 5 boxes next to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you would have the darkest shade here, darkest. And the lightest here, which is really blank, no shading. And then you step down, so you have the next darkest. Right, that could even be darker. Then the next, a little lighter here. And this will be the lightest shading. Right. And then this section would be like here, no shading at all. So that is called a value scale. If the light is coming this way, you're going to have a shadow over here. So one way to work out where the shadow is going to be, you get a ruler. Right, here's my ruler. Okay, so say that's the point where the light is coming from. You draw a very light line, so you could get your HB pencil for this. And you just draw a line going like that, and you draw another line going there, right? Okay, and say it's sitting on a flat surface, you draw an oval shape. It's not going to be round, it's going to be oval. That's a shadow. So here would be about the darkest of the shadow. And then it's going to get lighter as it comes out. I just want to be able to pick out the edge of the ball. Let's call it a ball. Alright, so you can see the ball is standing, it's more standing out now, yes? So what I would do now is make the shadow darker, because you see I've already added that, so it sort of takes away from the shadow. Right, so this technique is called blending.